Yeah. So after logging into the youtube.com, click on sign in on the right hand side. After clicking on sign in, give your email IDs and login, and below to your login name, check it out. Do you have a create a channel or your channel? In case if you are having a create a channel option, click on that and you can be able to see that your profile name. So by default, it is going to show your profile name. And you can click on create a channel in case if you are accepting with the same name. If you think that you want to give any other name, you can give other name. So I'll take this as a channel name and I'll just create a channel. So वहां पे यूआर चैनल पे क्लिक करने के बाद में क्या आपको ऐसा स्क्रीन दिखाई दे रहा है?
Yes, sir. Same one.
Yeah. So this is the first screen which it appears when you are going to open your channel. Suppose आपको इस चैनल के अलावा दूसरे चैनल को क्रिएट करना चाहिए. यहाँ का जो इंफॉर्मेशन है, इस इंफॉर्मेशन को मैं प्रमोट नहीं करना चाहता हूँ. ऐसा रहेगा तो what you can do it is you can just go click once again on your name जहाँ पे साइन इन किया हुआ था. तो यहाँ पे आपको सेटिंग्स के ऊपर क्लिक करना चाहिए. You have to click on settings option and here you can be able to see your channel name, and here the second option, add or manage your channels. Click on this option. So you can be able to create as many channels from here. So should I repeat it? How did we come to the screen? Or is that everyone are clear?
Sir, on my screen, the three options are channel status and features, create a new channel, view, advanced.
Add or new channel के option दिखाई दे रहा है. Are you getting a add or modify new channel?
View or change your Google account setting. Add new channel नहीं आ रहा sir.
Are you able to get this option? Channel status and features.
Yes.
आपका नाम है. हाँ.
हाँ.
इसके नीचे क्या ऑप्शन है? Add or manage?
No, create a new channel option है.
हाँ, directly आपको create new channel का ऑप्शन है.
Yes sir.
हाँ, वहाँ पे क्लिक कीजिए. And tell me what is the screen you are getting? What are the options? क्या आपको ऐसे screen दिखाई दे रहा है?
It's asking for the channel name. Yes,
the same screen, right? Yes, this is what the screen you are supposed to get it. So यहाँ पे आप आपका चैनल का नाम दिखाई दे सकते. So okay, so let me assume it that this is my channel name. Okay, so let me not use the word which may be a kind of spamming kind of a word. So let me use it something which can be one of my keyword. Tips and tricks. Okay, so let's assume it as this is my channel name. let me remove my name. So let me have it, digital marketing tips and tricks. And make sure that this, there is no any other channel with the same name. Let me, okay. So there is no channel with this name. Yeah. So let me create this, digital marketing tips and tricks. So I click on this, I understand. इस चेकबॉक्स पे क्लिक करना मैंडेटरी है. उसके बाद में ही आपको क्रिएट का ऑप्शन दिखाई देगा. So let me create it. So this is what the channel, whatever we have created, it is going to show it with the options like home, videos, playlist, channels, and about. So videos, we have to upload it. Playlist, once you are going to upload multiple videos, आप playlist को बना सकते हैं अलग अलग categories का. और आपका इसके साथ में और कोई channels रहेगा तो यहाँ पे list दिखाई देगा. And about, so you can be able to give about your channel. What is the intention of your channel creation? तो आपके बारे में यहाँ पे details देना पड़ेगा. So to give all this information, you are supposed to go for customize channel. यहाँ पे दो options दिखाई देगा, customize channel और manage videos. पहले आपको customize channel, click on customize channel option. So click on continue. So in the channel customization, so you can be able to give it as a branding. Then basic info. So please give me a minute of time. I'll just be back. Thank you for being online. Yes. So we were talking about to give our brand information. So when we are going to create the channel name, so we have to give what is the intention of this channel for. So anyone is going to watch your videos. आपका कोई भी videos को check करना चाहिए वॉच करना चाहिए। उसके बाद में ये कौन ऐसा डिटेल्स दे रहा है। सो टू आइडेंटिफिकेशन, सो यू आर सपोज टू गिव योर डिटेल्स ओवर हियर। सो यहाँ पे आप डिस्क्रिप्शन दे सकते हैं। आप चाहे तो आपका चैनल का नाम आपने सही से नहीं दिया हुआ है तो कोई भी चेंजेस करना चाहे तो आप एडिट भी कर सकते हैं। Then you can be able to describe it, what is this channel is all about. So try to give it one or two keywords in this description. Keywords, so I think in the last session when we were talking about the ads, so keywords plays a major role. So keywords आपको देना ही चाहिए ताकि आपके वीडियोस को फॉलो करने के लिए वहां पे जो भी आपके रिलेटेड, आपके सब्जेक्ट रिलेटेड, कैटेगरी रिलेटेड वीडियोस को सर्च करने के टाइम पे आपका वीडियोस को लिस्ट आउट करने के लिए कीवर्ड्स विल प्ले अ मेजर रोल। ओके, देन सो up to 1000 characters you can be able to enter it over here in the description. So let me add it. Digital marketing tips and tricks. Gives us in the material of making your digital presence higher social media marketing. It's ads and optimization. So let me add it. Yes. So let me add this as my description. Then you can see that your channel link. So this is going to be your channel link. So whenever you are you want to share it your channel link, so you can be able to copy this link and you can be able to share it in any other platforms. Suppose if you are going to run with a Facebook ad and you want to also link with your YouTube link, so you can be able to use this as a link for your channel identification. Okay, so this is one useful thing what you are going to get it. Then add the links. So in the YouTube, you can be able to also link with your other digital platforms links. So example like Facebook link, website link, Twitter link, Instagram link, Snapchat link. So like this, you can be able to link with all your digital platforms. So it will be helpful to the people and it will be helpful to you to drive the traffic from the YouTube to other platforms. आप यहाँ से आपके YouTube चैनल से आपके दूसरे प्लेटफॉर्म्स को भी आप ट्रैफिक को ड्राइव कर सकते हैं, आप कनेक्ट कर सकते हैं. So for example, let me give it as website. Okay, so let me assume it. This is my website link. So like this, I can be able to add it up to 5 links. So it is mandatory if you are going to add it up to minimum 3. If you are going to add it, it is going to give you good traffic towards your other platforms. So in case if you feel it that it is not required, you can be able to remove it by clicking on delete button. The next, email address. So you can be able to provide the email address which you want to get connected with. Then after giving all these details, आपका channel descriptions, आपका link, ये सभी देने के बाद में you have to click on branding option which is there on the top second. And here you are supposed to add it with your profile picture. So as you know that profile picture will play a major role यहाँ पे, क्योंकि आपका identity रहेगा वहाँ पे. So let me choose it with the icon. So this is the profile picture. Then you can be able to add the banner image, like how we have it a cover image in the Facebook business page. Same way you can be able to add it a banner image. But here you should be very careful with when you are going to create with the banner image. So when you are going to create the banner image on the canva.com. So if I go to canva.com, so you are supposed to search for YouTube instead of banner. You are supposed to select it as channel art, because before it was being named as a channel art place, but now it has been changed as a banner image. So you have to search for the YouTube channel art, the size of it, and you have to create it with this. So let me choose it this as my banner image for the YouTube. So let me take out this person's image. So make sure that you are going to give your and this I am going to keep it on this place. So now when I'm going to download it, in the JPG format, let me try to upload the image. So you can be able to see that. So your data, your information, it is going to be selected only with that particular area. So you have to bring your information which you want to highlight it on the banner image. It should be within this area and click on done. Okay. The next, if you are going to add a video watermark, why do we add a watermark? So tomorrow, if your videos is being used by someone else, so if there is a video watermark available on your videos, So it will be not so easy to upload your videos on someone else's channel or any other platform. So it is recommended to add your own watermark. So I'll add my profile picture itself as a watermark, and I want this in my entire video to be used. So I'll select in this way. So these are the three things it is mandatorily which has to be given, and click on publish. So whatever the information you have given till now, अब तक आपने जो कुछ भी डिटेल्स दिया हुआ है वो अभी पब्लिश होके पब्लिक में वो मिल जाएगा. It is going to be displayed. It is going to be available on the youtube.com. आपका चैनल का डिटेल्स अभी यूट्यूब में मिल जाएगा. किसी को भी सर्च किया तो मिल जाएगा. So let me check it out. How does my channel looks like if anyone looks into it? Okay. So this is what the banner image it looks like, and this is the profile picture. So please be very careful when you are going to create a channel art, a banner image for YouTube. So you have to keep this space with your details.
Again, sir, like Facebook, जैसे हमने profile picture लिया था, it was also very short.
Yes.
In the same way, you.
हाँ.
So
वहाँ पे थोड़ा बड़ा सा था. So that was a little bit bigger. So here it is very specific with this particular region.
Yeah.
Okay.
Only the name is showing. Rest of the pictures are not visible.
Yeah. So that is what is that highlighted thing? See, if someone is going to click on this, it is going to show it completely.
If we click, then only it shows complete.
Yes.
Picture.
So for the outsiders who are going to click on that, it is going to get shown to them the picture. Okay, but always make sure that your content it is going to be there. What is the highlighted content you want to keep it, so that you bring it within this region. It's a default behavior. And you can also observe that if you have been given the link, so it is going to be shown over here. Suppose if you are given a Twitter account or a Facebook account, Instagram account, any of the details you have been given the link details, so that information it is going to show it over here with their symbols. So since I gave only the website, so it is showing with the website details. Okay. So suppose if I go to customize channel, I can add one more link, for example, as Facebook. Or I'll just add it as FB. So here I am supposed to give my Facebook link.
So this also takes time to be activated because I am searching your YouTube with this name, but it is not showing.
Until and unless I come up with the videos, it is not going to show it. So until and unless I am going to upload a video, so it is no use.
All right.
Yeah. I'll just click on publish. So now if I go and check it out, you can see here, even the Facebook, also the link it is showing over here. So if anyone clicks over here, so let me close out this. If anyone clicks on that link, so it directly opens with that particular Facebook page. Okay, so like this, you can be able to link it. Is that fine? And
Yes, sir.
yeah, whatever the details, अब तक हमने जो कुछ भी descriptions में दिया हुआ है, वो आपको यहाँ पे about पे गया तो यहाँ पे दिखाई देगा. So you can be able to add the links, you can be able to add the description, as many things you want to add it with. So try to give more and more details over here. Okay, fine. So the next thing is, so we came to know how to create a channel. The next thing is how to manage this channel. So we will click on manage videos. So in case आपने कोई भी videos को add किया हुआ है तो यहाँ पे दिखाई देगा. So this is the YouTube Studio screen. तो यहाँ पे आपका videos का list यहाँ पे दिखाई देगा under the content. So if you have been uploaded multiple videos and if you have been prepared with playlist, so the playlist videos also will be available over here. So you all know that how to take the videos. There are a lot of ways of taking a videos. Either you are going to take it in a handycam or you are going to take it with your own mobiles or with any professional cameras or camcorders. So anything you can be able to use it. And also you can be able to use it for editing. So professionally you can be able to use the Adobe products. So or you can be able to use with the Illustrator, or it could be any kind of a 3D graphic designing softwares. Okay, so Filmora. So like this, lot of softwares are there, but they are on all chargeable basis or all on the pay. You have to make some payment and you have to make use of those services. There are certain places where you can be able to try to bring up your videos. So for example, आपके पास जो कुछ भी images है, उसको आप slide shows भी कर सकते हैं. Slide shows बना के आप videos भी बना सकते हैं. So like a reel, you can be able to do it. Okay. So if you want to do such kind of multiple images को use करके और short videos को multiple videos, short videos को add करके एक video बनाना चाहेंगे आप, तो आप canva.com को ही use कर सकते हैं. So the same canva.com can also be used for creating the video. तो यहाँ पे वीडियो का ऑप्शन दिखाई देगा और यहाँ पे आप तो किस तरह का वीडियोस आप बनाना चाहेंगे, आप उस टेम्पलेट को सेलेक्ट कर सकते हैं और so you have a categories. यहाँ पे भी categories है, यहाँ पे select कर सकते हैं. If you are going to prepare it for the YouTube, so you can click on this and you can be able to add it. So for example, I'll just add it.
Sir, is there any other website also other than Canva?
Yes, ma'am.
Other than Canva, is there any other website also?
Like you can be able to use it with a website called Render Forest. RENDER.
Render for.
Yeah, RENDER FOREST, Render Forest. Or in short, if you have been use some mobile apps also, you can be able to use it. So there is a InShot. Then there is a app called Viva Video. So you can use, there are a lot of softwares out there. So tools you can be able to use it. So the problem what you are going to face it is, so most of them are on pro account. So you can be able to add the videos, but the thing is you are supposed to uh, use it with the watermarks. And if you are using any watermarks in any video or image, in that case, it will become as a copyright violation. So it will become as a plagiarism. So no plagiarism is entertained. Copyright violation हो जाएगा और आपका वीडियो को सस्पेंड कर दिया जाएगा. Okay. So to avoid that, either you should go with the pro account of any of these softwares, or you can be able to use it with Canva for a simple videos if you want to make it.
Okay, sir.
Yes. Okay. I'll just put it this. Suppose if I want to add it anything as a background. Element. So you can put your innovative ideas. Okay. So like this. So you can put your own ways of presenting your information. Okay. So if I want to run it, so I can be able to run it like this. So I can be able to add some short videos. I can be able to make use of certain websites. I think इसके बारे में भी पहले भी बात किया था. There are certain websites we can give you stock images and videos. It is like pixels.com. And one more, it is pixabay.com. So यहाँ पे I can just try it out. Digital marketing. So I can go with videos. Okay, let me go to this and check it out. Is it going to be helpful to me? So yes, let me try this. Okay, so let me download this also. Okay, instead of digital marketing, let me try to put it social media marketing. Okay, so let me not drag it. So let me try to download this as a video. And finally, I'll add one more. So now let me try to put all these details into that video making. So let me upload all those. Okay, so let me add one more video clip. So in this case, I'm going to upload it. And this is there. Let me put it. Okay, so let me add the text. So if I want to add it like this, so like this, I can be able to add it with other contents also.
Sir, if we want to upload any video which is made by us, then is it needed to first upload in Canva? Then we can beautify this type of
Yes,
pictures,
yes,
and
you
then we
can.
upload.
Yes, you can do it.
Otherwise, directly also we can upload in
You
YouTube
can
channel.
upload it. You can upload it. Like how you are doing it, like Instagram Reels, your Facebook Lives. So the same thing you can be able to do it. So until and unless you feel it, so something has to be added. You can be able to use these tools for your explanation. I'm just trying it out to bring it a video which can give you some kind of a information, informative video. Otherwise, generally YouTube, we always recommend that you are going to talk over there. It is not that you are going to put the videos, which has been like how we are doing a collection of videos, collection of images. It's very less in cases we have to use it with such kind of platforms. But we always recommend when you are going to present yourself on the YouTube, you yourself, if you are the channel holder, so you are a creator of your channel, so it is always recommended the owner of the channel only has to talk about the product, talk about the services, talk about the brand. Okay, it is now why I'm creating all these things is because I want to upload a video. At the time of upload of video, so what are the things you are mandatorily have to take care. So for that reason, I'm trying to bring it out this one. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Yeah. So let's assume it this as a video where it is having 38 seconds of length. Okay, then the very important part is whenever you are going to upload a video, it should be minimum of 25 seconds. So why it is mandatory that it should be within 25 seconds, I'll let you know. So let me download this. And very important is once you are going to upload the video, before uploading the video, make sure that the video file name, it is going to have a keyword of your content. So what is that content you are going to present it on this video? So with that name, if you are going to upload it, so it will not be considered as a spam video. Even the file name also will play the major role. Okay, so before uploading the video on any platform on the digital platform, please rename it with the respective names. Okay, it's taking a minute of time.
So, sir, it
Yeah.
is audio video, MP4. I think it is just video.
Yes, sir. It is a
Huh?
video And also you can be able to add the audio also with this.
So in this audio is not
With this we
there
didn't add
is
it, so we can be able to add it. It will take some time, so for that reason I've been just stopped it. But
so MP,
it is possible to add a audio through any other software or any other tools. Also in YouTube also you have a certain free audios also. You can be able to use with that. In case if you want to add just a music, so you can add it through YouTube also. Yeah. So the video is ready. I'll just go back to that place. Okay. Let me give this name of the video. You can just have a look how the whole video it is going to look like. Okay. So the video which does not have a audio as of now. So let me put this. And now, if we want this video to be uploaded, yeah. So if I want to upload that video, so I can be able to click on this create option in the YouTube studio, upload videos, click on select files and click that video. So as soon as I click over there to upload, so it will be showing the process of uploading the videos. And here you can be able to see the title of that video. By default, it will take the same name, whatever the name you have been given to your video. So that name, the file name only, it will be taken as a title over here. So you can be able to give a different title name if you require. So always the title, it is going to be helpful to make the people to get attracted with those words. And this title, as I said, it should be a keyword to anyone. Okay. So now, if you want to know that whether it is a keyword to you, to your video or not. So let me take you to one kind of a exercise. So if anyone wants to know about the digital marketing, so related to the digital marketing, what are the keywords you can be able to find it? So you can just give it as digital marketing tips and tricks. So whatever the words you have been used, is it been used, is it been searched by the people or not? So you can be able to see over here when you are going to type it, it is going to predict it. So it is going to give a list of all those keywords which the people are typing it. Okay. So when you are going to type this and you search for it, and you should be able to see that how many people are using the exact words what you are being given with. Okay. So, and also if I want to see that this particular keyword has been used for how many people, how many searches is happening. If you want to see that means, you can be able to use a tool called keyword everywhere. So there's a Chrome extension. You can be able to download this Chrome extension at free of cost. So you can click on install for Chrome, and you can add this to your Chrome browser and click on add extension. So this is one of the free tools which will help you out to find it out what are those keywords relevant to the words what you have been typed over there on your search engine in any platform. So it is going to help you out to know that how many people, how many searches can happen on that particular keyword, and what are the other trending keywords are being searched by the people very recently. Okay, so I'll just keep it as a pinned extension. I've just added to this. So now by using this, is it going to help me out anywhere? Let me check it out. Yes, you can be able to see here on the right hand side. So with this keywords, what all the analysis is happening. So it is taking some time. So you can see on the right hand side that how many people are checked out with this particular keyword. Okay, is that many people are searching with this keywords? If it is yes, then we can be able to use this as an high prioritized keyword. Okay, so this keyword everywhere extension, it is going to be helpful not only for the YouTube, it could be for any keywords if you are searching for. Okay, so even in the search engine, when you are going for a Google, and if you search for anything, yes, you can see here on the right hand side, it is going to get listed out with all the keywords. So it will, yes. So you can be able to check the statistics. So it is taking some time to get refreshed. So, but it is going to show it on the right hand side with all the list of trending keywords. So where yesterday in the last class we have been used it keyword planner as one of the tool. So the same way you can be able to use it keyword everywhere or also as another tool. Okay. So yes, so we will go ahead with the uploading of the videos. So once you are going to make sure that this keyword it is going to be going to give you the more views, so you can be able to use that. Okay. The next thing is description of the video. What is this video it is going to connect with? So you can be able to give the description. Okay. So finally, I'm going to add with the keyword what I want to get connected with. Fine. So try to add at least one keyword with your description. Okay. So once the video is up, has been uploaded, you can be able to see the pic over there. And now, what is the thumbnail? So here there is an option called thumbnail. So thumbnail means it is like a poster of any video. So you can be able to change it. By default, it has taken 3 pictures as a poster of your video. So people will get connected more when you are going to have an attractive thumbnail. So by default, there is a 3 thumbnails has been identified. So you can be able to choose any one of it. Or if you want to upload your own other designed thumbnails, you can be able to click on upload thumbnail. For the very first time, it is going to ask you to verify your account. So since this we have been created a new channel, it is mandatory to get verified with a YouTube. So we have to give the contact details. It is mandatory that you are going to give your the real number which is going to be used. So once you are going to get the number, enter that verification code and click on submit. So once it is verified, it is going to show that phone number is verified. Now, I'll click once again so that it is going to allow me to add that image which you want you to use it as thumbnail. So now you can see that I've added a new picture as my thumbnail and that it is going to get updated over here. The next thing is playlist. So it will take a minute of time to get updated with the latest image what I've been added as a thumbnail. The next thing is you are going to add it with a playlist in case if you have been uploaded more than 2 or 3 videos, 10 videos. So you can be able to create a playlist based on its categories so that whenever the people are going to watch the video, they can be able to get a playlist of your videos and they can be able to watch all the videos. So it is like getting more and more people get connected to your videos. So more and more views it is going to happen. And you all know that the more views it can be able to get monetized for your YouTube channel also. Okay. The next thing is whether this video is meant for the kids or for not the kids. So if it is Very particularly for the kids, you can click on this. So there will be certain type of restrictions. If it is not for kids, you can be able to click on no, it's not made for kids. Then you can be able to add this age restrictions if it is applicable. Okay, if not, you can leave it blank. The next, show more option. Click on show more option. Whether this video, whatever you are going to run it, is it being prepared it for the paid promotion? That means, have you taken this video as a paid promotion of your channel? That means you are charging for someone else and you are promoting someone else's product. So if it is like that, you can be able to click on this option. On the top right hand side, it shows as it's a paid promotion video. The next, the very important part is tags. So here it is like hashtags. So there in the Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn. So in this, we are going to use the hashtags as the keywords. So here we are going to use the tags. Okay. So you can be able to add it, your keywords relevant to your video. So let me take it. Digital marketing is my keyword. I'll press enter. So this become as one tag. So digital marketing tips and tricks. Enter. So it becomes another keyword tag. Digital marketing tips. So I want to make the people to get my video in their list of selection by these keywords. Whenever the people are going to type these words, so my video has to be shown in their list. So you can be able to generate these tags. So you might be not be able to get to know that what are the keywords can I be able to use it. As of now, I've given you one tool which is called as keyword everywhere. You can use it and you can be able to get a lot of suggestions. Okay, so you have three types of keywords. One is short tail, medium tail, and long tail. So try to keep it with long tail keywords always. Means you are going to get the people who are very much keen and who is going to be your conversion customers. So those people are going to search it, the keywords with long tail keywords. So for example, best digital marketing courses in Bangalore. So this is considered as one of the long tail keyword. So that means the person who is very much interested to buy or to take the services, so will write it very clear words as their keywords and they will search. So we should be able to give such kind of keywords. So we can be able to generate it, those type of keywords either by using a keyword anywhere, everywhere, or there is one more tool called rapid tags.io. So this is one more tool. Sorry. So where it is called as a tag generator. So which you can be able to use it to create a YouTube videos tags. Okay, so you can use it for the free. You can click on this and you can be able to give that name, the subject name for what you want to search for the tags. So let me give it as digital marketing tricks example. So you can be able to get the trending keywords in this way. I click on I agree for cookies. I'll click on copy and I can be able to paste all these keywords Control V, paste. So if you think that any particular keyword is not going to be helpful to you, it's not relevant to your subject, you can be able to relate. You can be able to delete it. Okay. So up to 500 characters, it is going to allow you to enter. If it is more than 500, it will be turned this borderline into red in color. In such instances, you are supposed to remove the particular keywords which are not relevant for your concept of video. Okay, so this is how you can be able to add the tags by using the tag generator. The next, so for which category of this video it belongs to, so you can be able to select this. So let me take it as education. This is an education related category. So how it is going to be useful means, whenever anyone is going to run on video ads, in such instances, if they want to run it on my video, they can be, when they are going to choose it as the educational videos. So even on my videos, the ads it is going to run. But until and unless my videos are published and my videos are in having a good views, good number of views, so then only it is going to be run with my video ads, and I will be paid for the same. The next thing is click on next. So other options, let it be by default options. Click on next. So now it is going to ask you for subtitle. So subtitle, it is going to be allowed only when you are going to have a video with the audio. That is, if any person is going to talk and that words has to be converted into the words displaying on the videos, that is called as a subtitle. Okay. So until and unless you have any person talking and the words has to be converted, so then it is not going to highlight with the add subtitle option. The next option is add an end screen. So this option, add an end screen, will appear only if your video is going to be more than 25 seconds. Okay, so you all know that add an end screen is nothing but at the end of the video, what is that do you want to connect it? So the reason behind it, why the people are going to spend more time means because whenever we are going to upload a video and we say that at the end of the video, it has to connect to another video of ours. Either it is a continuation or it is another video of yours or someone's else. If you want to promote it, someone's else videos also, you can be able to give a suggestion to your audience. Okay, so that is you are going to add it as an add-on in screen. So you can be able to promote someone else's channels and videos or your own videos. Okay, the next thing is add cards. On the top of the video, well, the video is running on the top corner, you can be able to see the suggestions. So that is called as a cards. Okay, if you want to add this, you can add it. Click on next once after adding all this information. The next thing is it is going to be your copyright. So that means the video content, whatever you have been uploaded, it has been verified, and if it is found anything, it has been copied from any other video. If it is found some video which has been copied, which is the existing video, then even either it is a video or audio also. So if there is no copyright violation, so it is going to give you a tick mark of green color. So that means the video it is a very new. Okay, so you can be able to click on next option. The next thing is, the final thing is, do you want to make your video public? So if you want to make it public, you can select the last option. If you want to keep it for yourself, until and unless you are going to share the link of your video, so no one has to know about your video, you can keep it as private. If you keep it as unlisted, it won't be public, but the link it will be available. Okay, so you can be able to keep it in any one of these options. Okay, so before you are going to make it as public, make sure that the content, whatever you have been added, if you want to add something else, so try to keep it in private or unlisted. Okay, so in case if you want to make it public directly, if everything content is okay with yourself, then you can be able to publish it immediately, or you can be able to schedule it. That is, for example, you might have been seeing that uh, like you are going to create a premiere show. That is, you are going to say that you are going to upload your video is going to get released. So within 1 hour, 2 hours, like that, if you want to create it, a kind of curiosity, if you want to build it, you can be able to click on that option and you can be able to schedule it when exactly the time it has to be get uploaded on the channel, on the YouTube. Okay, so you can choose any of this option if you want to publish it immediately. Suppose if you don't want to show it immediately, you want to add it something later, so you can be able to click on the other options. So let me click on save. So now the video is being uploaded to the channel, but the visibility it is in the private. Okay. So now, if you want to edit, if you want to add anything, you can come to the content and you can be able to click on this edit button. और यहाँ पे आपको जो कुछ भी डिटेल्स को चेंज करना चाहिए, you can be able to change it. टाइटल को चेंज करना है, description, thumbnail, add in screen, anything you want to change it, you can change it. Apart from this, you want to add an audio, then you can click on editor option on the left hand side. आपको यहाँ पे left hand side पे editor के option दिखाई देगा. You can click on the editor option. So click on get started, and now you can be able to see the options over there in this list. So in case if you have a multiple characters, you can be able to blur it. So you want to highlight particular character and you want to blur it, a particular character, you can do that. Trimming means if you want to trim your video length, if you want to cut your length of your video, you can go with the trim option. Then if you want to add an audio, you can be able to click on audio option. So you will get a list of options. So let me choose it. Okay, so let's assume it that this music, it is going to be good for my video. I'll click on add. So it is going to get added to my video. So once it is done, you can be able to listen to it with the video.
We can't hear any audio.
Yes. So like this. Suppose if you want to make it of your own music, so that you have to use it any outside software apart from the YouTube, and you can be able to add with it. And make sure that you are not going to add with any kind of a Bollywood music or anything like that. So again, it will be a copyright violation in such instances. Okay. So like
Sir,
this
sir,
is my.
sir, uh, right now just you played this video, but no audio was there. We cannot hear anything.
You are not able to hear it.
Yes,
Uh, yes.
maybe because of headphones.
No, if you were able to hear me, it was there.
You were able to hear the audio?
Just a moment. I think we have to put it this video into the speaker. So whether you were able to hear it, ma'am?
No, sir.
Okay. So might be because of the headphone, it might be like this. So I'll just share it with this link. You can be able to just listen to it also through the WhatsApp group. Okay. But whatever the feature I've been shown, so were you been able to get how you can able to add with the music?
Okay.
Yeah. So you can just go with the process. So once it is done, अभी आपने ऑडियो को भी और दूसरा और कोई ऑप्शंस को आपने ऐड करना चाहता था, वो सब कुछ आपने ऐड कर लिया तो आप यहाँ पे सेव पे क्लिक कर सकते हैं. So it will take some time to get saved with this. And once everything is okay, you can be able to publish it. So make it into public. Okay, done. Once it is live, you can be able to watch it, how it is performing. ये पर्टिकुलर वीडियो कैसा चल रहा है, कितने लोगों ने व्यू किया है, कितने लोगों ने सब्सक्राइब किया है इस वीडियो के थ्रू, वो सभी आप डिटेल्स को यहाँ पे एनालिटिक्स में देख सकते हैं. ऑन द लेफ्ट हैंड साइड आपको एनालिटिक्स करके आपको इनसाइट रिपोर्ट दिखाई देगा. यहाँ पे आपको टोटल व्यूज, वॉच टाइम आवर्स यहाँ पे दिखाई देगा, कितने टाइम तक लोगों ने इसको वॉच किया है और कितने लोगों ने सब्सक्राइब किया है हमारे इस चैनल को. सो वो सभी डिटेल्स यहाँ पे आपको दिखाई देगा. You can be able to see the information in the graphical graphs. You can be able to see with the graphical representations. Okay, so how many impressions, कितने बार YouTube में दिखाई दिया है, और what is the click through rate, कितने लोगों ने हमारा वीडियो की वहां पे मूव होते ही वहां पे क्लिक करके उसको वीडियोस को वॉच किया है. तो ये सभी डिटेल्स आपको मिल जाएगा. On what days, at what time, how many people. So ये सब डिटेल्स आपको यहाँ पे मिल जाएगा. Okay.
We will
So,
get only numbers, sir. है ना?
हाँ, numbers भी दिखाई देगा.
But we don't care. We will not get any lead from this.
No, you can be able to get the leads. When you are going to be able to get it, the leads is when you are going to add this video when you are going to upload this video with the description, in the description try to add your lead form links. Okay, so I can just give you how to get more subscribers towards your channels. Okay, so one tip I can just share it to you people. You can be able to see it. So if you want to make the every person to subscribe to your channel, in that case, you can be able to use it this tip. Can you be able to see this link?
Yes, sir.
हाँ, यहाँ पे जो लिंक दिया हुआ है https://www.youtube.com/c/Deepak Kanakraju I've taken as a one of example. यहाँ तक आपका चैनल का डिटेल्स है. So till here Deepak Kanakraju is your channel name. So you can put your own channel name. And after that, you can be able to see certain things which has been added by my side. So यहाँ पे एक question mark and I've written it as sub _. आप यहाँ पे देख सकते हैं वहाँ जो छोटे छोटे अक्षर में लिखा हुआ है on the top sub_confirmation equals to 1. ये ऐसा लिंक आप आपकी फोन आप फेसबुक की थ्रू एड्स बना रहा है या वेबसाइट में या गूगल सर्च एड्स पे, डिस्प्ले एड्स पे, कहीं पे भी आप एड्स क्रिएट करेंगे, कहीं पे भी आप पोस्टिंग्स आप पोस्ट को ऐड करेंगे, वहां पे आपकी यूट्यूब चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करने के लिए आपको मैंडेटरी करना चाहिए. ऐसा रहेगा तो प्लीज ऐड दिस लिंक. आई जस्ट फॉरवर्ड इट आफ्टर द सेशन. ओके, ऐसे आप ये लिंक को ऐड करते ही यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं, जैसे ही मैं लिंक की इसको क्लिक करता हूं, इट इज गोइंग टू टेक मी टू दैट पर्टिकुलर चैनल and it will make that person to get this option as a subscribe.
If they don't want to subscribe, then we will not get.
They
But
can,
if
they
anybody
can click
wants,
on cancel. See,
yeah,
until and unless we make them, we provoke them to do that.
yes, yes.
Okay, so it is
And like
yeah. Go ahead, ma'am.
like use Deepak Kanakraju. So I can use, instead of Deepak Kanakraju, my own channel name, that is NJ
Yes,
Digital
yes,
Marketing.
yes, yes. So you can give your own name. See, otherwise I can just give you one more easy tip way. See, let me take you to this. Okay, let me take to my channel. So view channel of my YouTube. So this is my channel, right? So this is
Yes,
my
sir.
link. This is my link. Okay. So यहाँ पे आप ऐड कर सकते हैं. So question mark sub underscore confirmation equals 1. So you can take this link and you can be able to, let me put it. So can you see here?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so you can use like this. So this is
But
one
in
of the, yeah.
But in this, the company name is not mentioned.
Yeah, it
It's
is
some by
not
default.
mentioned. So it is going to get the name until and unless you are going to have a videos, then you are going to have a more viewers. So when the people are going to start to, you are going to get started with the videos ads.
Okay.
Okay, until you start to get an identification, you don't be able to get anything. Okay, but till then you can be able to make use of this.
All right.
Okay, so this is one of the way where you can be able to make the people to get diverted towards your channel. Okay, so whenever you are going to create any post, you can take this link and you can add it over there, or call to action button maybe add kar sakte hain. Okay, the next thing is, if you want to drive the traffic, okay, so if you want more people to view your videos, so one more tip I think I've already discussed. When you are creating the video, so you can be able to create the video of your own. So that means the person who is the creator of this channel, so better that person is going to be in front of your audience. So that is a genuinity, it is going to be there. And second thing is, when you're talking about your content, so be clear with that and do not be very much serious. So that it is not like you are going to take some seminar over there. It is like you are going to connect it with the reality things. So, and whatever the content you are going to talk with it, so try to keep it visibility of those content related, anything, the instruments or tools, anything you are going to use it over there, try to keep it over there online. Okay. And whenever you are going to create the videos and uploading it, so in that video description, do not forget to add your links of your contact. Then in case if you are selling anyone's product, आप कोई दूसरे लोगों का products को sell करना चाहेंगे, तो आपका affiliate links रहेगा, उस affiliate links को भी आप add कर सकते हैं. और इसके साथ में if you want to add it with lead generation forms, you can add it with that also. Okay, so this is one of the way of how you can be able to get more and more people towards your videos. Okay, so viewers को कैसे आप increase कर सकते हैं. And the third important thing is keywords analysis. Okay, so these are the things which you are supposed to take care when you are going to create a video content on your channel and when you are going to publish it. Okay, so these are the certain tips and tricks which I can be able to say it as it is going to be helpful to market your YouTube channel. Okay, is that fine?
Yes, sir.
Yes, fine. I'll share it this document to you all. So when you people are going to try it out with the YouTube ads, जैसे मैंने आपको कल लास्ट क्लास में एड्स प्रिपेयर करने टाइम पे डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ कैंपेन टाइप्स को क्रिएट करने के लिए बताया था. उसमें से आप वीडियो एड्स को सेलेक्ट कर सकते हैं. यू कैन सेलेक्ट द वीडियो एड्स and you will be able to find out this types of formats: skippable ad videos, non-skippable, bumper, and overlay ads. So these are the different types of ads types you can be able to get it over there. So you can be able to choose it which type of ads you wanted, and this ad format is applicable on which other platform and how it is going to work. So that it has been explained over here. Okay, so you can just follow with all those tips and tricks and you can be able to monetize your YouTube channel. And one more thing I just want to add it at the last. So when you are going to come to the YouTube studio, there you can be able to see and settings called monetization. You can click on this monetization and you have to upload. That is, you have to update your location. So click on update location, it will take you to the settings. So there are certain things mandatorily you have to give it. So to which country you are related to. Okay. Then you can add the keywords. So here also, Western marketing, tips and tricks. So this, so at least minimum 2 or 3 keywords you have to keep it for your business. Then next, you can go to the general option. In which currency do you want to transact it? I'm selecting it as an INR, Indian rupee. Then other by default options, it is going to be get saved. So here you can be able to see that if you want to earn money through YouTube, these are the conditions. Minimum 1,000 subscribers should be there, and minimum 4,000 watch hours of your videos should be watched. So these are the 2 things which is mandatorily you are supposed to fulfill it. आपको YouTube के तरफ से आपको पैसा कमाना चाहेंगे, आपको ये 2 कंडीशंस को आपको satisfy करना चाहिए. एक तो 1,000 subscribers and second thing is 4,000 watch hours. So it has to get completed. It could be of multiple videos. It's not only with particular video, multiple videos. It is going to be totally on your channel videos, but it has to be done within the 1 year, 12 months. So then only it is going to give you the monetization. Okay. So these are the
Satisfied with both the conditions.
yes, it has to satisfy both the conditions. Yes. So these are the things what you are supposed to take care with when you are doing with YouTube marketing. So we'll meet in the next session. Until then, thank you all. Good night.
Thank you, sir, and share that Word document in the group.
Yeah, sure. I'll do it now.
Okay, sir.
Thank you.